Hello everyone, I am Adyasha and you are watching Learngrad Education's Private Limited official YouTube channel. So today in this video we will be talking about a leading medical university of Ukraine. Yeah, that's right. It's Zaporizhzhia State Medical University, which is located in Ukraine in the Zaporizhzhia state. Before moving on to this video, I would request all of you to comment below the university where you want to go and do MBBS. So let's start on this video without a second. So today we will discuss about some important as well as unique points of Zaporizhzhia State Medical University by which you can know that whether it could be a better option for you or not. Zaporizhzhia State Medical University is a university which lies in it lies in Ukraine and it is located in Zaporizhzhia state. If we would talk about the weather conditions, the average temperature of summer is 23 degrees Celsius and the winter temperature it lies in between 0 degree to -3 degrees Celsius. As this university was established in the year of 1903, it is now 118 years old. That means this university has a lot of experience in teaching international as well as Indian students. This university is well recognized by NMC, that is National Medical Commission of India, which was earlier known as MCI, that is Medical Council of India. And it is listed in the WHO, that is World Health Organization. So you don't have any doubts whether your degree would be valid or not. Obviously your degree would be very valid in each and every country where you go. But you have to give the licensing exams for the similar country where you want to go. If we would talk about the strength of Indian students, it is about 1300 plus. And Zaporizhzhia State Medical University has its own hospital where the students can go and they can have a lot of experience by diagnosing the patient's diseases. Your next point could be the exams, that is CROC 1 and CROC 2. If you would compare the results of CROC 1 and CROC 2 with any other university, Zaporizhzhia State Medical University has the best results in Ukraine. Zaporizhzhia State Medical University has a special feature for the parents, like the parents can have a track of their students' academic as well as attendance through their parent portal login, which would be given by the university. The most unique point about this Zaporizhzhia State Medical University is that they give coaching of different licensing exams such as your PLAB, USMLE and FMGE, which would be very beneficial when after the degree completion of the students. If you would talk about the FMG exam, this lectures would be given by Indian professors who are very thoroughly practiced of teaching Indian students, and the exams pattern would be followed by them according to the Indian government. Now we would be discussing about the points that what are the courses that are been studied there. You can get medicine, pediatrics, dentistry, nursing and pharmacy. If we would talk about the duration course that is provided to you, it is 6 years, where in the last year you have to work under the guidance of a senior doctor. As I've already told you, Zaporizhzhia State Medical University is the first university in Ukraine who started teaching international students in English medium. The classroom ratio of Zaporizhzhia State Medical University is 10:1, whereas in the laboratory and your practical ratio is 1:1. Here, the student studies in virtual simulator where the health records of 50 plus more than men, women and children are kept and they are being analyzed by the students himself or herself. Zaporizhzhia State Medical University has a very good environment as because the students get lots of experience because they get 15 to 20 minutes, like each student get 15 to 20 minutes to diagnose the patient, diagnose the disease of the patient. So each student get 15 to 20 minutes with the patient, they interact with the patient and they themselves tell the senior doctors that this could be the disease and they analyze the diseases. Okay, and Zaporizhzhia State Medical University has an advanced and updated library 12,000 plus students comes every year to study different types of books which are available in that university. For better learning purposes, Zafrozia has placed e-books where the students can they can do it in an internet basis and they study there. For the laboratories, if I talk, then laboratories, they have well equipped 3 laboratories where advanced technologies has been used, and it is completely updated by the technologies, you can say. Zafrozia State Medical University has its own lecture halls in which advanced technologies has been used. That means if a student has doubt, in the same very moment the doubts could be cleared by the professors. Now let's talk about the hostel and the campus. Zafrozia State Medical University, which is located in Ukraine, it has 5 academic buildings and 5 residential buildings, inside which 3,000 plus students can stay inside the campus of the hostel. In the campus, you can get cafeterias, malls, shopping malls, even your day-to-day item. Even if you are a food lover, like your Indian food lover, then you can easily get them too. And if you are a Chinese lover like me, definitely yes, you can also get them. It's because due to more number of students of Indian students are more, they provide you non-veg as well as veg thalis, which would be very tasty, I think so. And you can if you don't want to eat in the mess, you can cook yourself food, and they have furnished kitchen even. As I have already told you that there are 5 academic as well as 5 residential buildings. These buildings are continuously guarded by the security guards of the university, and for the better security they have 75 live CCTV cameras which are guarded and monitored by the staffs of the university. Now let's talk about the public transport. If we would talk about public transport, then there is no need of public transport, I can say. It's because everything is inside the campus. But still, public transports are way cheaper, and you can get your trams, trains, buses, taxis very easily with a very cheap price. The distance from the airport to the university is just 16 kilometers. So you can definitely cover through it with the public transport according to your comfortable zone. Now let's talk about some extracurricular activities of the students. As every student has his or her own passion to follow, the students can have their hobby. So it could be a singing, it could be dancing, it could be painting or art, it could be any sports activities. So this university provides you lots and lots of clubs where you can join. Now let's talk about the festivals that we celebrate, that the university celebrate, that whole the students celebrate of this university. Yes, this university there is no racism, there is no discrimination between the Indian students and the same country students. Here the university celebrates Eid, Holi, Diwali and even Guru Parab with the same respect and with the same joy and happiness. So we also expect the same. As you go to their country, you should respect their culture. Ukraine as an European country has a very peaceful atmosphere, and you have a very hygienic conditions, and there is a very good atmosphere there. So the students can their mind would be very in a peaceful way, and they can study better. So if you want any other information rather than this, you can definitely contact me in the given numbers, in the helpline numbers, or you can visit our office or directly to the website, and there we can help you. Yeah, we will always be there to assist you, to guide you and to do the best for you, which would be the best for your future, for your parents and your future path. So if you want that I should make a video of some other university, you can definitely comment down below, and in the next video we will be talking about the universities which you want. So till then, take care, bye bye, have a good day, and please do subscribe to the channel. Please do like the video and share with the friends who are preparing for the NEET or any of your friends and family. Keep supporting, spread love. See you in the next video.